How to fix call terminated due to a problem with the network. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you 5 solutions to fix frustrating issue. Dropped calls with the message, call terminated due to a problem with the network. The message, call terminated due to a problem with the network, means your phone call was abruptly ended because of an issue with your cellular network connection. So to fix, call terminated due to a problem with the network. Solution 1. First, open the Calls application on your phone. Tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap on Settings from the pop-up menu. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on TTY mode, then select the third option from the pop-up menu. Solution 2. First, open your phone settings. Go to SIM cards and mobile networks. Select the card you are using. From the SIM card settings, tap Access Point Names. At the bottom, tap Reset. This will reset default APN settings. Now go back and select Preferred Network Type. Select 2G only. Select Preferred Network Type again, then select First One. Solution 3. This is a quick and easy fix. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it back off. This restarts your phone's connection to the cellular network. Solution 4. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see Apps and tap on it. From Apps, select Manage Apps. From the search box at the top, search for Phone. This will open the app information page. Look for the Storage section. Inside the Storage section, you'll find a button called Clear Data or similar wording depending on your device. A confirmation window might appear. Tap Clear All Data or similar wording, then tap OK to confirm. Solution 5. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can clear up temporary glitches that might be causing call drops. Give it a shot. And this is how to fix call terminated due to a problem with the network. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most call terminated due to a problem with the network issues. Make sure your phone is up to date with the latest software. Sometimes updates include bug fixes that can improve network connectivity. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.